Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you, friends. I would like to start by inviting one of my dad's friends, Charlene Ruto, Her Excellency. They had a very strong bond over many things, and she asked me to share this spot with her.
Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to stand on the protocol that has already been observed in the interest of time. Our condolences to the family of General Ogolla, Mama Irene, my sisters Acheng and Muthoni, and Brother Joel and all the relatives, not just from me and my siblings, but from the young people of Kenya. Kenya has lost a chief of defense forces, but as young people, we are deeply saddened because we have lost our mentor and our champion. Without a doubt, a very high percentage of our defense forces is made up of young people, but General Ogolla's influence went beyond our young people in the defense forces to those in various leadership positions and fields such as the climate space, sports, health practitioners, and many more. Some messages I have received from the young people. I met him last year, and he spoke so highly of the Africa Youth Climate Assembly, and even inquired on how we could mainstream the culture of environmentalism and climate action in the forces. We might still need to do this in his honor. Another one, I am still in disbelief. I read his last text to me a time like now last month, and I just broke down. He truly was our champion. May he rest in peace. Personally, I met General Ogolla only once, but once was enough for me to experience his kindness, his genuine care, and love for the young people, and his determination to support us to succeed. His death has hit my team members and I so hard, because in the fight for youth inclusion, many listen to us, but few encourage, support, advise, guide. General Ogolla was among the few. I really don't know if we'll ever find another one like him, but as young people, in his honor, we aim to live a life like his, of good character, humility, and integrity. May the soul of our mentor and our champion rest in eternal peace. Thank you.